Installation of EGATE-PRO Internet Gateway using Wi-Fi in ENGO Smart application. On the mobile device, make sure that the ENGO Smart App has access to the permissions, location, Bluetooth, nearby devices. To proceed with adding a device, enable the following on your phone. Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, the same as the device you are adding, and location. Launch the ENGO Smart application. In the application, select Add Devices. Go to the Internet Gateway tab and select EGATE-PRO ZigBee Gateway. Click Wired Distribution Network and select Hotspot Distribution Network Compatibility Mode. Prepare the device for pairing. Connect the gateway to the power supply. On the gateway, the blue LED should be on continuously and the red LED should flash slowly, about one time every 2 seconds. If this does not happen and the red LED flashes quickly, about 2 times per 1 second, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. If the blue LED is on continuously and the red LED flashes slowly, about 1x per 2 seconds, proceed to pairing with the application. In the application, check the required box and go Next. Select 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, the same as the phone, and enter its password. After clicking Connect Now, the device will go to the Wi-Fi network settings screen. Select the Smart Life network and connect to it. Then click Back to return to the application. Wait for the application to configure the Internet Gateway. Name the device, add the location of the device, and click Done. By going into the gateway settings, you can change the photo, name, and location. The gateway has been successfully installed and is visible in the application. Red LED is lit on the gateway, indicating connection to the cloud and Wi-Fi. The device is ready for operation. You can add more ZigBee devices to the network. Quick installation, easy pairing, simple control. Easily overcome a reinforced concrete ceiling or several partitions. Convenient operation in the ENGO Smart App. Easily added to your home ZigBee network. Offline operation possible. ENGO, control and save simply.